Settings. Search. Search.
Hey everyone.
Control center.
I'm just here today.
Search. Dictate. And Bluetooth. Switch enter key to select. On. Focus. Enter key to airplane. Cellular data. Wi-Fi.
Hold on, give me one second.
Bluetooth. Media controls. Music. Not playback destination. Enter playback destination. iPhone. Play. Previous play. Next. Vault. Select speaker. Speaker. Pending. So. Focus. Screen.
Okay. Today, I'm actually going to show you a very interesting accessibility setting that I found in accessibility on Wednesday night, on this past Wednesday. And
Home. Accessible.
And I'll see what
Settings.
it does.
Access. Voice. Zoom. Motion. Audio. Physical. Touch. Face up. Switch. Voice. Side. Enter key. Apple TV remote. Enter key to select.
I edited my settings a little bit in Voiceover, so it almost sounds like a Braille sense.
Keyboards. Enter. Hearing. Hearing. Sound. RT. Audio slap.
So it's going to be an audio and visual.
Audio. Headphone. You can background sound.
And there's this.
Background sounds off.
Background sounds is set to off.
Plays background sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise. Sound. Dark noise. Enter key to select. Balance noise. Edit.
So there's like these different buttons.
Balance noise.
Or these different sounds.
Bright noise. Dark noise.
There's balance noise, bright noise, dark noise, rain, stream, and ocean.
Rain. Stream.
Yep.
Sound. Dark noise. Plays back.
And I'm going to demo these just to kind of show you what each one of them may be like meant for. These are just like sounds to calm you down in the case of an emergency. Like, let's say if something happens and you need it right away, or if you are an organization working with kids with special needs and you need something on the iPads at school to keep them calm. This is actually the perfect solution for these kids. So I'm gonna move the switch.
Background sound.
And it's gonna start playing this noise. I don't know if it'll be captured on screen recording, but we'll see. If it plays, it plays. I'll demo all these sounds for you. Dark noise is about your average sound that you hear when you're about to, like, when you're in an airplane. So I'm going to turn this on so that we can demo it.
On. Screen recording. Background. Plays background.
And it should be captured.
Sound. Dark noise. And balance noise.
There's all these.
Dark noise. Selected. Right. Selected. Bright noise.
Just make sure that's selected. Okay. We're going to go to bright noise.
Selected. Bright.
This is the noise you get when, let's say there's a lot of static you get, like on an airplane when someone's going to talk over the speaker.
Balance noise. Edit. Enter key to select. Edit. And balance. Edit. And balance.
Balance noise would be like
Selected. Balance noise.
a little bit of both.
Right. Selected. Right. Dark. Ocean. Actions available.
If you want someone to stay calm with the sound of the ocean,
Selected. Ocean.
there's that.
Rain.
And by default, it comes set as rain.
Selected. Rain. Stream. Stream.
So if you're fond of the beautiful sound of rain, then you can do that. You can actually have that play. If that's what your student is fond of, or if that is what you feel keeps you calm, if you're one of those people that needs this, then you can use it. And then there's the sound of a stream.
Selected. Selected.
Okay, so there's that. And that's there for you to play with.
Ocean. Dark. Light noise. Dark. Ocean. Dark. Ocean. Rain. Ocean. Rain. Ocean. Rain. Ocean. Dark.
Because I like the sound of an airplane, like it's very, very soothing and calm. I'm gonna leave it set to dark noise.
Selected. Dark noise. Background sounds. Background. Dark noise.
And I'll show you what I mean by I can make this thing sound like a Braille sense.
Container. Screen rec. Braille tape language. Default.
I'm gonna switch to the other English profile.
English. Sounds.
Now watch
On.
this.
Sound. Push background sound. Background. Audio slash visual. Audio. Background sound. Audio slash visual. Back enter key to select. Background.
Notice that there? Yeah.
Sounds. On. Language. Braille tape language.
English. US. Background set sounds. On. Sound. Dark noise. Sound. Dark noise volume. 100. Adjustable.
Now I can always adjust the volume of the noise.
Use when media is playing. On.
You can even use this when media is playing, like if you're playing a game or if you're watching something.
Volume with media. 100. Adjustable.
Volume with media is set to 100.
Play sample. Enter.
And we can play a sample, which, I mean, it's just going to play some random soundtrack that Apple put together for us to test, but I'm not going to test it on video because it could potentially be copyrighted.
When enabled, background sounds will stop when iPhone is locked. Stop sounds when locked. On.
And stop sound when locked. That will just lock my device. Like, whenever I press the sleep wake button on my device, it'll just lock it and it will stop the sounds from playing. So it's nothing really too extravagant. I can literally, like,
When enabled,
I can literally, if I really wanted to, go to a school and set this up on all the iPads and make sure that someone knows about these, because these are very nice and soothing sounds. This is the sound you get, the one that's currently playing is the sound you get when you're actually inside the airplane, when you're flying out, like when you're actually flying in the airplane. So picture that as something. And I hope that you guys, that if you need this to play with, like if you need to use this in the case of an emergency, or if you know someone who needs this as an accessibility thing, it's going to be in here. You need to have your phone updated to the latest software, to iOS 15.1 as of when this video is made. That being 11/12/2021, I believe is today. Let me check.
iMovie. Face calendar. Saturday, November 13th.
Oh, today's the 13th.
App switcher. Settings. Settings. Active. Settings. Audio.
If you notice, when I exit the app, this thing is still playing.
Background sound.
So, use this to your advantage. Try to make good use of it. Your devices are to stay updated at all times if you're going to be using this, because it can fail, maybe, it might fail, and so you don't want to just like always have to figure out, oh, why is this thing failing on me, or why is this doing this? Well, the simple answer to it is keep your device updated all the time. Even if the school says no, or if your workplace says no, you need to keep your iOS devices updated. That's just how it works. So, other than that, oh, and you can access it from your shortcuts too.
Alert. Accessibility shortcuts.
And something neat I also found in accessibility
Selected. Voiceover. Enter key.
is I can
Voiceover
turn off voiceover. But wait, I'm stuck. On the iPhone, they will always fit through the bottom middle of the screen.
Voiceover. Selected.
So if you hold down on the icons,
Cancel. Selected. Voiceover. Selected.
the spoken audio feedback, not voiceover, but the other one, if you drag your finger along the bottom of the screen, it will read these.
Background sounds. Selected.
And then lift your finger. And then it's off. Now we're back in accessibility shortcuts menu.
Voiceover selected. Voiceover on.
And on my iPad from school, that wasn't the case. I didn't have to let go of the screen. I actually had to swipe my finger through the middle just like I would, so you will bring it up and down vertically. In a straight up and down position, as if you were typing a letter I or a letter L. Just in a straight up and down position to get through these. And then leave my finger hovering over that icon so I don't lose it. And then click it and just like single finger tap it. If, let's say, VoiceOver was off. So that's another neat little thing that you can do in accessibility settings when you have multiple accessibility shortcuts. So,
Screen recording in progress.
and that was another thing I edited in my VoiceOver. So, yeah, I think that this new accessibility thing, the background sounds thing, is massive. It's brilliant, and it comes into play very well. So, students shall use this in school, I'd say, if, like, mainly the special ed kids, mainly kids with, like, moderate to severe special needs treatment, whether it's those with behavioral problems or if it's those with medical. Use this when you can, because there may be instances where you will need it, and there's no doubt of it. So use it when you can, and if you want to come into my comments telling me if it comes into good play with you, if it is good use for you, and how much you use it, go ahead and do that. I don't really care. The feedback would be nice, but no pressure. So try this out. Tell me what you think.
Screen recording in progress. 8:14 p.m. Enter key to select. Set.
And oh wow, that's new. It didn't never do that before. But yeah. So yeah, try this out. Tell me what you think. If you like it, then good for you. And if it comes into good play for students in a special ed class at a school, wonderful. I hope that people actually make good use of this and that you guys fall in love with it, because I know many of you are going to enjoy it. I know a lot of people are going to enjoy it. So may as well make use of it while you can, because it's there for a reason. So I will see you guys later. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. So yeah, later guys.